In projects involving multiple designers, it's common to divide tasks into specific disciplines or work areas, allowing each designer to work simultaneously in their respective space. This often requires integrating piping into another model referenced in your own. For instance, when equipment is modeled separately, you'll still need to connect piping to it and ensure the connection is documented in the database for accurate representation in isometric drawings, ISOs. To demonstrate, consider opening the piping model titled 06_04_piping. In this model, the equipment has been removed and will now be reintroduced as an external reference, XREF. Switching to a parallel view and using standard AutoCAD, locate the file through the appropriate directory and insert it as an overlay at a specified insertion point, 00. Upon inspecting the connections, you may notice unconnected components indicated by a teardrop symbol. To fix this, right-click the flange, choose Connect Component to Adjacent, and select the appropriate nozzle. Bolts and gaskets will appear, confirming a successful connection. Repeat this process for all necessary components within the XREF. Next, bring in an additional XREF for piping, such as 06_04A. Again, insert it as an overlay. If this XREF represents a modular or area break, the piping should still connect seamlessly. Similar to equipment connections, right-click the appropriate flange, select Connect Component to Adjacent, and ensure the necessary gaskets and bolts are placed. When running new pipe sections, a different approach is needed. If no visible connection point exists, check the pipe size and pressure class. Then manually initiate a connection using the command plant pipe add. This command establishes a link between the XREF and the primary drawing, allowing you to extend piping from the correct node on the equipment. With all connections in place, you can verify the presence of bolts and gaskets. Remember the command plant pipe head for future use, as it ensures piping can connect across XREFs without disrupting collaboration. This method enables multiple designers to work in the same area while maintaining proper connections and accurate isometric outputs.